Hello, this is just an issue I came across today, just a couple of minutes ago. So I figured I'd record it. So we've decided originally these stairs were going to be, where am I going? We're going to be this bottom assembly here and this top assembly, and they were just going to weld on site. So instead, what, what I suggested was we put two clips in here. I'll put a couple of bolts in this in a minute. Well, let's put the bolts in it now. So if I put some bolts in here, let's rotate around the Y axis and go to objects and then switch bolts. Sorry. And we want to put bolts through these two ball beams, or those two clips, and a distance of 2 and 1. We might change these to half-inch bolts later, but let's just leave them like that for now. So I want to split this here. So this point is the same as this point here because I want to land this bottom one on this brace assembly. So let's change this over. So I want to split this. So let me pick it, and then I'm going to weld this back to this one, and then this one will be short. So when I go to do the split command, that's not the split command, sorry, set the UCS to world. I go to the split command, select the beam, and pick the point here. And we can see once we right click, it says the separation was not possible. So I was scratching my head for a minute, and then I realized, as you can see, the system line here carries through, which will be the same here, and the system line here and here seem to stop here. So I had this as part of the macro, and I connected this over, but I have since exploded the macro. So what I want to do is, just to show you a little better, you can see 2D wireframe, you can see my system line. So what I'm going to do is come down here and trim extend system. I'm going to pick this one, and I'm going to extend that one, and this one is the same here. If I can just differentiate what's what, it's this one here. And you can see it looks long for now, but once you exit out of command, it'll bring it back. So that's good. And now while you're doing it, you should fix these other ones. So it's always good to fix your system lines. And there you go. So now we're set up, and now we will go back again and we'll select these two stringers, and we'll select to split them, and we'll split that here, and now you can see that has split that. So now if I check where this is welded, you can see that this part has been separated. Now all I need to do is weld this back to this, and I'll fix the weld type in a minute, but that's what you want. So if I pick this, now we can see we're there. Now all we got to do is weld the clips on the inside back to it. So there, we're good now. Alright, hope that helps.